Movavi has just released its Video Suite 2026. This is the most advanced yet simple video editor to date, now with even smarter AI tools. In this video, I'll walk you through all the new features by editing a sample clip. I am going to demonstrate new features such as scene detection, silence removal, and then upgraded features like motion tracking, background removal, mouse over effect previews, and frame precise cuts. By the end, you'll know if it's worth it. And yes, there's an exclusive discount coupon waiting for you, so stay tuned till the end. When you download the Movavi Video Suite 2026 installer and run it on your PC, the installation is complete within a few minutes. After the launch, it downloads other components of the Video Suite. Here on the dashboard, it includes all the tools such as video editor, converter, screen recorder, audio recorder, DVD burner, and more. All these important tools are properly placed in the different tabs like video, audio, photo, and data. There is a favorite section also in which you can put your frequently used tools. The suite now has a refreshed light plus, dark theme UI toggle, and improved tooltips everywhere to help new users. The layout feels cleaner and more responsive. Let's open the video editor from here and explore its interface and capabilities. The video editor has three main sections: the media files and effects section, the preview window, and the timeline. You can add files here using drag and drop, then add them to the timeline to start editing your clip. Here on this panel, you will find frequently used editing tools such as select, cut, split, and delete tools. Now let's take a look at this effects section. Here you will find sample videos, backgrounds, and intros. Also, there are lots of other media such as audio, text, transitions, effects, elements, and packs. All this media you can use to create an engaging video for your viewers. Then you have the tools section, which consists of several essential tools like stabilization, animation, chroma key, background removal, scene detection, and others. Don't forget to check the audio tab, which has several advanced tools such as noise gate, reverberation, synchronization, and beat detection. Let's record some screen footage next and then use it to demo features. When you launch the screen recorder, it appears in a small floater window where you get options to open settings, capture a screenshot, or start the screen recording. You can also add two more buttons for capturing webcam and audio. Clicking on the video button gives you the option to select the portion, window, or full screen for recording. Press the space button to select the full screen. You can turn on the mouse click effect, record the system and microphone audio, and record the webcam along with the screen. After making your selection, click on the record button. After recording, the clip is imported directly into the timeline. Let's add the screen recording to the timeline. To trim or remove parts, you can use the split tool as always, but the upgraded frame precise razor tool, it's still toggled by pressing the B key on your keyboard, now supports even finer control. When zoomed in, it detects exact frame boundaries and gives a small preview tool that helps you place cuts perfectly. Hold Shift plus click to cut all tracks at that point. This update makes trimming much more accurate and efficient. If you have a rough clip and want to automate cuts, there's two new tools in Movavi Video Suite 2026 called Silence Removal and Scene Detection. The Silence Removal tool automatically senses the silence in your clip and removes those annoying pauses. The Scene Detection detects changes in the scene and splits the clips automatically. You can adjust the minimum duration of a scene to reduce the number of splits. Both these features are extremely useful in case you have a huge clip with lots of clutter. Needs subtitles? The one-click automatic subtitles is back and better in 2026. Select the clip, click on the CC button, then click on the Generate button, and AI transcribes and syncs captions automatically. You can edit the subtitles, change font, color, timing, and even adjust auto fade-ins outs. Now in the 2026 version, it supports even more languages, and you can translate the subtitles. Now you can export the subtitles and save them as SRT file. Movavi 2025 had hover previews for effects. In 2026, this is enhanced. Now, when you hover over effects, transitions, titles, overlays, and even media thumbnails, you get a live mini preview. On the timeline itself, hovering over segments shows a quick frame preview so you can find the right moment without scrubbing manually. This saves time when choosing effects or media. The upgraded AI motion tracking now works more reliably, even when subjects move rapidly, occlude, or change direction. You can track stickers, images, videos, or text. Let me show you a sample. I'll place a sticker over a moving object, go to motion tracking, choose AI Smart Mode, and click Track. After processing, the sticker follows perfectly even through complex motion. You can also apply motion tracking to text, face blur, spotlight effects, or any overlay. Background removal in 2026 is more robust. You get quick and precise mode with AI assistance. It works with video and image with high accuracy. If you have a green screen, the chroma key tool is improved. Now with spill suppression and fine threshold controls, noise removal returns but with enhancements. Movavi 2026 now includes AI audio cleanup, which classifies background noise types such as wind noise, humming, and chatter, and applies custom filters. In my sample, I'll apply noise removal. It still works well unless the noise is extremely loud, but the AI filtering helps retain natural voice tones. AI upscaling is still a core tool. You can launch it from the suite or the converter. For low-resolution videos, choose upscaling factors 2x, 4x, 8x. In 2026, it warns you if the output resolution is beyond typical playback capability, like 10K. I take a 720p clip and upscale to 4x. After it finishes, we check the properties. Yes, resolution increased. And visually, I see improved clarity, sharper edges, and better detail. When your edit is done, you export. 2026 adds more flexible export presets for social media streaming and devices, and options to directly upload on YouTube, Google Drive, Vimeo, and TikTok. Because of Fast Track HD, GPU acceleration improvements, exports are faster, especially on newer hardware or GPU. Overall, Movavi Video Suite 2026 remains a powerful, user-friendly all-in-one package, ideal for creators, hobbyists, and semi-pro users who don't want to wrestle with complex software. The new features like scene detection, silence removal, smarter motion tracking, better background removal, and UI improvements make it a meaningful upgrade. For pure professionals needing deep grading, collaboration, multicam, editing, etc., more advanced tools are still better, but for everyday creators, this is excellent. I'd say it's definitely worth it if you're looking for something that gives you creativity plus AI power without a steep learning curve. If this looks interesting, you can download a 7-day free trial and test all features yourself. If you like it, you can pick a yearly or lifetime subscription. For you, I have a 50% discount on the lifetime license. Check the description below to grab that deal. Don't miss it.